Hello, welcome to the mathscenter.com. In this video, we're going to look at an additional maths question, the question that appeared on the SPM 2016 paper. Okay, the SPM 2016 Add Maths exam paper, question number 9. Part A, it is found that 20% of the students from Kampong Aman walk to school. If 8 students from Kampong Aman are chosen at random, find the probability that exactly 3 of them walk to school. So when you read this question, what should immediately jump out at you is the fact that we are dealing with a binomial distribution problem. We are given the number of students is 8, and we are looking at walking to school as a success. So P will be equals to 0.2. That's given to you, and we are asked to find the probability that exactly 3, so 3 successes, so we are asked to find x equals to 3. So we'll use the formula NCR, PR, Q, N minus R to work the problem. I've done it here. We can easily follow it. N is 8. Okay, so we can write 8, CR, C3, P is 0.2 raised to the power of 3, Q is 1 minus P, so it's 0.8 raised to N minus R will be 5. That's what you see here. Okay. Use a calculator and you'll get the answer 0.1468. Good. Part B, the mass of pineapples harvested from a farm follows a normal distribution with a mean of 2. So let's write it here. Mean equals to 2 and a standard deviation of m. So sigma equals to m. It's given that 15.87% of the pineapples have a mass more than 2.5. So you're given probability x. If let's say x is normal, x represents the mass. Okay, so it's normal with mean 2 and variance m squared. Okay, so we asked to find, we are given that 15.8%, 15.87 really, 15.87% of the pineapples have a mass more than 2.5. So let's write probability more than 2.5 equals to 0.1587. So the rest is pretty easy because we are going to change this to a z or z if you like. So we can write probability of x minus mu over sigma is greater than 2.5 minus mu over sigma. And you know the values of mu, so let's plug that in. Okay, x minus mu over sigma, this one here is z, so that's what you see here. 2.5 minus mu is 2 over sigma is m, so probability z bigger. What is 2.5 minus 2 is 0.5 over m, and that's equals to, that's given to us, 0.1587. So sketch a little picture like I've done here, shade the area involved. This is the area involved. Okay, this value here on the horizontal axis is 0.5 over m. You look it up in your tables, you will get this value is equals to 1. So m equals to 0.5. Done. And then you're given the number of pineapples in part 2 harvested from the farms is 1320. We have to find the number of pineapples that have the mass between 1 and 2.5. So first step, work out the probability. Work out the probability of x lying between 1 and 2.5. Change your x to a z. Okay, x minus mu over sigma. That's your z. Let me write it here again. Okay. This is called your standard score. Okay, score PY. So 2.5 minus 2 over m. What is m? M is 0.5. So 2.5 minus 2.5 over 0.5 is good 1. And then I have 1 minus 2, this is mu, minus 1 over 0.5 will be minus 2. Draw a picture, shade the area that is involved. The area is between z values of -2 and 1. So this value here, okay, I've taken this value here is 0.8413, the area. And this value here, the area is 1 minus 0.9772. Use the tables, yeah? Okay, use the tables that you're provided in the exam. Use a calculator and you'll get 0.8185 as the probability of the mass lying between 1 and 2.5. Now, but you're told in the question we have how many pineapples? 1320. So the number of pineapples that we expect, yeah, to have a mass between 1 and 2.5 will just be 0.8185 times 1320. Use a calculator and you'll get 1080, and we are done.